Lecture 2. How it's different from Google and ChatGPT. Today, we're zooming in on a common question. Why use Perplexity when I already have Google or ChatGPT? That's a fair question and an important one. All three tools seem to offer similar help. You ask a question and they give you an answer. But how they get those answers and what they give you in return differs in ways that matter, especially for students doing research or looking for trustworthy information. In this lecture, you will learn how Perplexity AI compares to Google and ChatGPT in terms of how they gather information, how they present answers, and how reliable those answers are. You will see clear examples of when Perplexity is the better choice and when Google or ChatGPT might actually be more helpful. The goal is to help you choose the right tool for the task, so you can save time and get better results. Objectives of this lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to identify the core differences between Perplexity AI, Google Search, and ChatGPT. Understand how each tool gathers and presents information. Evaluate which tool to use depending on the task you are working on. Google, the link giver. Let's start with the familiar one, Google. When you type something into Google, it doesn't give you an answer. It gives you a list of links to websites that might have that what you are looking for. You still have to click, scan, scroll, and evaluate which page seems trustworthy and useful. Strengths of Google. It's great when you already know what you are looking for. For example, a specific article or a website. You get access to a wide range of sources in real time. You can easily find news articles, shopping links, and up-to-date content. Limitations. You have to do the heavy lifting of research yourself. It doesn't summarize or explain. Ads and SEO can push high-quality sources down the list. ChatGPT, the wordsmith. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model. It's really good at explaining things in human-like language. It doesn't search the internet for real-time data. Instead, it's trained on a huge amount of information, and it uses that training to generate helpful responses. Strengths of ChatGPT. It can write in complete, structured sentences, great for explanation and examples. It's helpful for brainstorming, summarizing, and expanding ideas. It remembers context in a conversation. Limitations. It does not show where its information came from. The knowledge can be outdated, depending on the version. It can sound confident, even when it's wrong. Perplexity AI, the middle ground. Perplexity sits in the middle. It has the conversational tone of ChatGPT and the real-time access to online information like Google, but with one key difference. It cites its sources. You ask a question, it gives a clear answer, and right below that answer, you will see a list of clickable sources it uses to generate the response. It even highlights the specific lines from those sources. Strengths of Perplexity. It provides short, accurate summaries with source links. You can verify the information easily. It suggests related questions to continue your search. It's ideal for quick source research. Limitations. It's not always as flexible as ChatGPT in tone or creativity. If your question is very broad or vague, the answer might be shallow. Choosing the right tool. Here's a simple way to think about it. Task: finding a specific website. Best tool: Google. Task: writing an essay introduction. Best tool: ChatGPT. Task: understanding a concept with sources. Best tool is Perplexity AI. Getting the latest news. Best tool is Google. Summarizing an article. Best tool is ChatGPT or Perplexity. Task: quick fact checking. Best tool: Perplexity AI. Each of these tools has its place. The smart move is to use them together depending on what you need.